Children should never go through traumatic or abusive experiences. However, criminals with ill intent will still perpetrate abuse against children. In the Copper Country since 2020, the Houghton Keweenaw Child Advocacy Center has worked with 175 cases to help victims of physical and sexual abuse document their experience and begin their journey toward healing. Because the center opened during the midst of the pandemic, staff weren't able to host an official ribbon cutting until yesterday. Staff also celebrated the Houghton Keweenaw Child Advocacy Center earning its National Children's Alliance accreditation, becoming the first NCA-accredited advocacy center in the Upper Peninsula.
We're really excited about our National Children's Alliance accreditation. We're the first ones in the UP to reach these standards. The first one in Michigan in 5 years. So these standards are very stringent, and we have to really follow them with our multidisciplinary team and with our in-house staff. So there's a lot of people that go into the accreditation, a lot of credentialing that has to be done, which is why it's so hard to accomplish, especially in rural areas. We don't have as many senior nurses available or child therapists. So getting that accreditation and getting people that can serve in these positions has been an incredible feat for our community, because that means our children are getting served.
Houghton Keweenaw CAC finds children most often through referrals by area schools, youth program organizers, adults, and children. After a formal criminal complaint is filed against the abuser, victim advocates conduct the only forensic interview with the victim. Victim advocate Rachel Lamppa says that the interview is important to the court system, but having a victim only record a single interview may be more important, so they do not have to be re-traumatized while recounting their story multiple times.
They only have to tell their story to our forensic interviewers who are trained in this, and then they only have to tell it one time. And for somebody who's already been victimized, to tell that story is super hard. And so to be able to come to a place that is comfortable and trauma-informed is super important, so that these children aren't re-traumatized, seeing police officers and that sort of thing as they tell their story.
The Houghton Keweenaw Child Advocacy Center falls under Copper Shore's Victim Support. The center holds an NCA accreditation, requires regular staff training, and has received several other important advocacy certifications. The center offers several services to victims, including court support, forensic interviews, victim support groups, and counseling services. Those interested in learning more about the Houghton Keweenaw Child Advocacy Center can find more details at abc10up.com. With ABC10 and CW5, this is Thomas Fournier.